Welcome to our holiday edition, early afternoon with Elise and Abby.
Abby and Elise. Our first segment brought to you by the ASCVI main office.
Hold on to your hats, everyone. This one is starring Peterborough's next up-and-coming actor, his debut, Mr. Gray.
Yes, come on
Mr.
in.
Gray.
What's up?
I just got a package from Santa. So what's happened is he's so busy right now because of COVID. He's totally backed up and he needs some help. He doesn't know the Adam Scott teachers, who's on the naughty list and who's on the nice list. He doesn't have time to figure that out.
Okay, so how am I gonna figure that out?
Well, I don't know, but your job is to divide the staff into a naughty list and a nice list, and then
Okay.
give that list to Santa to really help him out. But he's given me this button in the package. It says naughty or nice button.
Oh, so if you did like the naughty or nice button,
Well, do you want me to try it?
We could use the whiteboard to make a list.
okay, all right.
Let's give it a try.
All right, so the
Let's
first.
go.
All right, come on, nice.
Oh my goodness, you were so bad. Is that bad in a good way or bad in a bad way? Oh, your mother. She must be just so frantic.
Arrow that way.
Naughty list.
Well, that was disappointing.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I am telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I am telling you why. 'Cause Santa Claus is coming to town.
So we got a long way to go, but this does a pretty good job on the naughty and nice thing.
It does. I have to say, I'm surprised by a couple of these.
Yeah, I want to try and do a redo at some point, but I'm wondering, do you think we could use this to determine staff bonuses this year, or they get to pick their classes? Like, this could be a neat way to do something, you press, if you're nice, you don't supervision? I don't know.
I think
What
that's
do you think?
We'll use this to put together the next supervision schedule.
That's a good idea.
Happy holidays.
You better not pout.
Were you surprised by who was naughty and nice in that video? It's obviously no question here. I'm the nice one.
I'm the nice one.
no, I'm the nice one. I thought we agreed on the nice one.
No, it's me.
Moving on. I'm sure it's no question who the nice one is among us.
Found the body and calf, but I didn't see anyone, so.
Skip.
Yellow killed blue. Saw me scan. Red saw me do garbage.
Thank you to Ms. Ellis's grade 12 English class for that wonderful submission.
Next up, continuing the tradition of singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Feel free to sing along.
Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like a light bulb. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never left poor Rudolph joined in any reindeer game like Monopoly. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, ho, 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 Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, yippee! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, you'll go down in history. Hey! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Thank you, Mr. Wade, for leading us in that sing-along.
Now it's time for a giveaway! I bet you're all wondering what these jars are for. In these jars are every name
Of every student.
in the entire school. Blow me.
Bold. Starting off with our grade 9 students, the chance to win a $10 Pizza Shack gift card goes to...
Up first, we have Finley Watts.
Check under your seat. Next up, we have Lola Kelso.
Check under your seats, you lucky winners, for a gift card.
Woo!
Just kidding, it's not under your seat. Miss White will give it to you before the end of the day.
Breaking news from the ASPD, Adams Scott Police Department.
Last quadmester, a serious investigation took place regarding students in Miss White's grade 12 data class.
We have some live footage of the event. Roll the tapes.
Mr. Booth, there's something you want to discuss today?
Yes, Mr. Gray. As you can see here, I have 5 students who were in the washroom at the same time, and a puff of smoke just arose from them.
So you're claiming one of these students was vaping in our bathroom?
I do believe so, yes.
Do we have any way of differentiating which one it could be?
They did start singing I Want It That Way immediately following the event.
Backstreet Boys, I am familiar. Number 1, could you please sing the opening to I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys?
Really? Okay. You are my fire.
Number 2, could you keep it going?
My one desire.
Number 3.
Believe when I said
Number 4.
I want it that way.
Tell me why.
ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Now number 5.
I never wanna hear you say
Woo!
I want it that way.
Just so unprofessional, sir. But I do believe it was number 5. That voice just sold it.
Oh, I forgot about that part. Yeah. Number 5, can you come with us?
Oh boy, Garrett, you're going on the naughty list this year.
Shout out to our stylist for dressing DJ in one of Mr. Booth's authentic cardigans. Next up, my favorite band, Chip Patrol. I'm so excited.
I'm more excited because I'm like their #1 fan, but
No, I'm the number one
no,
fan.
you don't understand. Like I have the comforter set. Like I'm their #1 fan.
I have the limited edition cardboard cutout of them.
No, listen, my room is covered in their posters.
No, did you eat their cereal?
Well, okay, no, but like I love them. I'm their biggest fan.
No, I'm their biggest fan.
Listen, I'm their biggest fan.
I am the biggest fan of
No,
Chip
you
Patrol.
don't understand. I'm the biggest fan of
No,
Chip Patrol.
I am the
I'm
biggest
their
fan.
biggest fan.
I'm
No,
the
like
biggest fan.
they're the last thing I think about.
I don't think you
every day.
understand.
No,
I
I
have
love
dreams
them.
about them.
I love them. Like I wake up in the morning and I'm like Chip Patrol.
No. When they release their first album, I'll be first in line to get it.
I will because I'm actually on time for things.
You said you wouldn't bring that up.
Anyways, this next submission needs no introduction.
We'll let it speak for itself. Don't know how you could follow that up, but we'll try our best.
Up next, you know and love them.
Your parents know and love them.
Your grandparents know and love them. This is a look back on the beginnings of Drifting Collide.
Drifting Collide. Man, where do I even start?
Drifting Collide. That was... I remembered those days. Wow.
Back, like, I remember when we played our first shows, like, at school, and then, you know, our last times together when we hit, like, our first, you know, platinum selling single.
It was the best of times, and it was the worst of times.
You know, there was this one time, we were on our tour bus, and we were going to, play our first ever show in California, and Trey actually threw up 3 times.
When we were on tour, we went to the huge show, and Colby threw up like 3 times. It was...
Yeah, I remember the time when they both threw up 3 times, you know, but I didn't throw up, because I don't. I'm not built like that.
Our 3rd album release party, it was crazy. There was, like, our 2, like, fans, man, they just came up, and, like, obviously... We tried to keep everything calm, but they just had the audacity, and they just both kissed Trey on both sides of the face. I was jealous.
And that was my first kiss.
I remember, we played a lot of festivals, but almost every festival we played, something bad always happened. I remember one time we were over in Russia, and a man came up on stage and threatened to behead Trey. And we were all just shocked when he did it.
You know, we had our issues, but, you know, I'd trade anything just to relive that whole, like, few years of our lives.
So why don't you?
to rise and shine. It's time to get out of bed. It's time to ruin my life because you said I was only there when I'm dead by myself in my head. I cannot take the pain, but if I need to return that favor, if it didn't screw me anyway.
Now, for a message from Tullamore. Hey you guys, it's Tullamore, and it's time for another Friday Crazy Night. Here we go. Friday Crazy Night, gonna dance, dance, dance all night. Friday Crazy Night, gonna dance, dance, dance all night. Woohoo! Oh yeah, so have a great Friday night, a great weekend, and be sure to stay safe.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A true masterpiece.
Now it's time for another
Giveaway. Bold. Now we're looking at the grade 10s. This is so difficult. All right.
Starting off with Stella Whalen. Look under your seat.
And next we have Victoria Towner. Congratulations. Now it's time for another giveaway. And grade 11 this time.
Starting off with Danica Deck. Congratulations.
And second, we have Tristan and Isco. Next up, thanks to Netflix for letting us borrow this footage of the next reality TV hit.
In the culinary category, produced by Abby Conrad.
The Adam Scott Holiday Baking Competition.
in my soul. The stars were burning so bright, the sun was out till midnight. I say we lose control.
Wow, all those entries really made me hungry.
Now, a special message from your student council.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy all week. We're snuggled up together like the birds off a feather would be. Let's take a road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy all week. We're snuggled up together like the birds off a feather would be. Let's take a road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Thanks, Student Council, for that awesome video. Always killing it, always looking so good. Great job, awesome. Okay.
Now for another
Giveaway.
Bowl me.
I don't bowl. All right, grade 12s, get ready.
Starting off first with Luke Vick. Congratulations!
And second, we've got Owen Palmer. To wrap up this holiday edition,
an extra special message from your Adam Scott staff.
A 1, 2, 3. Sleigh bells ring, I am listening. In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in a winter wonderland.
Gone away is the bluebird. Here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland.
All I want for Christmas is for my San Francisco 49ers to get healthy and start winning football games again. Let's go 49ers!
All I would want for Christmas this year is a car wiper that works, because I only have one.
All I want for Christmas is time to read. Ah, yes.
All I want for Christmas is for my puppy to stop barking and keeping me awake at night and urinating on the floor. That would be really helpful. I know she looks cute, but really, she's the devil. And I don't like her very much, but that's okay. So, oh yeah, I don't like cats either. And we have 3 cats. What I really want for Christmas is a bigger bag of cheesies. This size, please.
All I want for Christmas is a Super Nintendo. I had one when I was little, and I miss playing Mario Kart on it.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white. Go anywhere while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get up up to bay, 240 as his speed. Hitch him to an open sleigh and crack, you take the lead. Whoa, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle, jingle bells, can't you hear those jingle bells? She's dashing through the snow, gotta meet her baby by the mistletoe. Jingle, jingle bells, can't you hear those jingle bells? We're laughing and we're loving and we're kissing and we're hugging as we jingle all the way. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Ah, so you'd like to be in one of my videos, I see. Well, let's see what you've got.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes,
Mr. Dunn, you ripped my heart out and said I wasn't allowed to be in your YouTube channel because I was too boring. Show you that I deserve to be on your YouTube channel, pulling out all the stops.
cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus.
A lot hotter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, here comes, right down Santa Claus Day.
I'm crying because I just wanted to be on your YouTube channel.
We're all God's children, that makes everything right. So fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes, right down Santa Claus Lane. He'll come around when the chimes ring out, it's Christmas morn again. Peace on earth will come to all if we just follow the light. Let's give thanks to the Lord above, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus, yeah. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. Right down Santa Claus.
There's just one thing I need, that I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my dreams come true. Well, all I want for Christmas is you. Yeah, all I want for Christmas is you. For Christmas is to be on Mr. Dunn's YouTube channel.
Well, thank you everyone for your honest contributions. I think I will need to think about this and consider my life choices and decide whether or not I want to do any more videos at all.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and the children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. The snow said I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days, may your days, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
I'm dreaming of a white.
Buenos días. Buenos tardes. Buenos noches.
Hello, nachos. Listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days, may
this card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.
Tonight the apple falls in time. We'll sing along with Old Lang Syne and throw confetti high up in the sky.
My New Year's resolution is probably to fix my car.
We'll be a different place, and the past will wash away like coffee stains. We could be kings of the world, on top of the nation. It's a celebration of the moments to come. The city's on fire. We're holding up lighters, raising them higher, and we.
My New Year's resolution is to learn how to do car repairs so that I can save money and my car will be good.
Did you know that it's a proven fact that stress can affect your ability to basically make decisions? It's called brain fog. And who hasn't had some additional stress this year because of COVID? So my resolution for 2021 is to become more decisive. Now, I was gonna wear a hat for this. I was just gonna put a hat on so you could see like my Christmas spirit. Do you think I should wear this one?
What is a ghost's favorite breakfast?
I don't know.
Boogles and scream cheese.
Ask me if I'm a banana.
Are you a banana?
No.
What's the difference between a teacher and a train?
I don't know.
A teacher says, spit out that gum, while a train says, choo, choo, choo.
When I was a kid, my mom always told me I could be anyone I wanted. Turns out, identity theft is a crime.
How did Darth Vader know what Luke got him for Christmas?
I don't know.
He felt his presence.
What did the farmer say when his tractor was missing?
I don't know.
Where's my tractor?
To see the opportunities that each day provides.
To enjoy 2 weeks of time with friends and family.
To attract positivity and be confident.
Health, happiness, and a sense of normalcy.
To see
And my wish for you for 2021 is that your brain becomes less foggy.
to lay before the king. Ra-ba-bum-bum, ra-ba-bum-bum, ra-ba-bum-bum. Rum-pum-pum-pum, yeah, I'm on the drum, yeah, I'm on the snare drum. Yeah, I'm on the beat cause the beat goes dumb. And I only spit heat cause I'm playing for the sun. Playing for the king, playing for the title. I'm surprised you didn't hear this in the Bible. I'm so tight, I might go psycho. Christmas time, so here's a recital. I'm so bad like Michael. I know I'm still young, but I go stupid, stupid, love like Cupid. I'm the drummer boy, so dope. Little baby, ra-ba-bum-bum.
My wish for my students in 2021 and all of the Lions at Adam Scott is a whole lot less of these. Happy New Year.
What I want for my students in 2021 is for them to remember I was here. Merry Christmas.
Joyous fête! My wish for my students in 2021 is that they are kind, considerate, and every day try to do one thing that makes them happy.
Twitter followers, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah.
Merry night, the ox and lamb captain, I played.
What I wish for my students in 2021 is a return to normalcy so we can go back to having fun activities and assemblies that aren't virtual like this. Have a great holiday break and a wonderful new year, and we'll see you on the other side.
That's all for today, folks.
Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below.
And don't forget to follow our Instagram, ASCVI_SAC.
That was Early Afternoon with Elise and Abby.
Abby and Elise.
The holiday edition.
Have a great winter break, Lions.